My name is Kellie Saddington from Great Ocean Road Real Estate, and welcome to 49 Grinders Avenue in Torquay. Located right across the road is this brand new home, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living spaces. But the real bonus of this property is the location. You have the golf course, you have the beach down the road, new shopping centre, new schools, and of course this park. Sharlene and I look forward to seeing you at the open for inspections and private appointments. See you soon.